What's up, guys? Bill from HoloModels RC again. This is a Sportster that I made in my build video. I just flew it with a 2200 4S battery. I am now going to fly it on a 2200 3S battery, and I added 28 grams of weight to the battery itself when I put it in. So I'm curious to see how it flies with a 36 motor and 2200 3S 10-inch prop. This one's printed completely from my G-Codes V1.2. Let me get my camera strapped to my head and look like an idiot. Yeah, it's starting to get a little dark. Alright, here we go. 3S. This one's printed out of eSun Active Foaming Lightweight. This thing kind of just putzes around. I love it how slow you can go, which is great for 3D prints, because if you land fast, you're probably going to break it. That last video, I just flew for 6 minutes, a little over 6 minutes, and I still had 47% battery, so you can easily get a 10-minute flight with a 2200 4S and still have a little juice left, probably about 20-25%. So I got my timer set to 6 minutes for this flight. But it'll probably be, I'm sure it'll be probably in 8 minutes total if I was to max it out, because on 3S you'll always use a little more battery. I'm flying around about 55%, 60% throttle. Swatting bugs away. This model can be found on compensate.com. It's been out for about 10 days or so. There's a build video. I'll leave links in the description to other flight videos with this printed out of different types of PLA. It comes with G-codes for all types of PLA. Prints quick and easy, as 3D prints should be. And it flies like a baby. Super easy to fly. I personally like the SainSmart version. For some reason, SainSmart Active Foaming Lightweight PLA seems to expand a lot more than eSun. So I was able to get the flow rate a lot lower on those G-codes. So overall, the entire airplane weighs a little bit less. I think it's around 850 or so. I'll post weights for all the parts printed out of all different types of PLA, and then with the different motors that I put in them. Just trying to experiment with different stuff. I haven't done it yet, but I will have a text document that'll have everything up there on cults3d.com. It's a great flying airplane, no matter how you build it. That wide wing chord is just, it lets it float. I've had a lot of fun with this aircraft in the past, made out of foam board. It's getting a little hard to see it. I really like how this thing turned out. It turned out great. It's very easy to put together. Of course, I'd say that though. I'm the one that designed it, right? But no, that was the whole point of it. I made my servo throws, or I made all the control horns so that if you use the outermost hole in the servo arm, you'll get about 45 degrees. I was thinking about possibly updating the ailerons and putting a second hole on it. So if you want to have a higher roll rate, you'll be able to do that by just using the other hole. That might be a future update. Where am I at with my time? I got a minute left, so I've been flying for about 5 minutes. About 45% throttle. Still get nervous flying this thing because I just got so much time in it. Of course, I hate that with airplanes. Eventually, when you fly something enough, you just get comfortable with it. Or a lot of the times, even your first flight, you'll be comfortable with it. But I have so much time wrapped up in this. I get nervous still. Alright, so I got 30 seconds left. I'll get ready to approach here. It's getting hard to see it anyway. Cut my throttle already. Super easy to land this thing. It just kind of glides right in. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, or subscribe to see future videos. My name is Bill from HoloModels RC. Talk to you next time.